The LightStanza Revit plugin enables you to export any Revit model or partial Revit model to LightStanza for simulation and analysis. To access the plugin, go to lightstanza.com and then under the Resources tab, select Plugins and Families. From this page, you'll find a direct download link to the installer for the latest version of the plugin. Before proceeding with the installation, double check that you don't have a previous version of the plugin installed by going to Programs and Features or Add or Remove Programs, searching for LightStanza. And then if there is a previous plugin version installed, uninstall it by selecting the ellipsis and then uninstall. This will make room for the latest version of the plugin. Walk through the prompts. With the previous version uninstalled, then return to your Downloads folder and select the LightStanza plugin. When you start the installer, just step through the wizard. This page prompts you to select which major versions of Revit you want to install the plugin for. By default, we'll include the 2021 through 2026 versions of Revit, or you can deselect ones that you don't need optionally. Then next, install. Now with the LightStanza Revit plugin installed, we can open Revit and check. The LightStanza Revit plugin will now appear on the Revit panel as a new tab. So we can select LightStanza, and then once a project is open, we'll be able to export, send changes, once we're logged into the application, of course. Thank you for installing the LightStanza Revit plugin.